Hi everyone, coming on to do a second project from our project kit. So last video we done this card here, and now we're going to go for this one. Okay, so we need our red card base, and they've came a little bit bent, so I'm going to need to store them flat so they flatten out. So I put all my stuff in a seal bag just so it's all together and I know where to find it all. And I need, what's that at the back of there? That's the envelopes. I'll put them at the side of me. I don't need them right now. We need one of the die cut pieces. I'm going to grab one out. That one. We need one of the label stickers. Let me find that. That's one of those ones. We need the larger circle die cut. Larger circle. I've got to move them out the side just now so they're not glaring on camera. And then we've got some of the gemstones, and it's the yellow coloured gemstones this time. So now that we've got everything out, I'll stand it up in front of me so I've got my design almost. Put that at the side actually, wanting to fall all over the place. Right, so this just pushes out. Like so. Let me see. Goes this way. And I think I want to put that up in dimensionals, just so it's got a wee bit of body. So I am going to snip these down a bit, because for like the leaves and that, I won't get a full dimensional on there. So I'll just go in here, chop a few of these down. I've actually got to half those as well. I think that even they will be too big. Right, so, oops, that one's jumping off. It's going rogue. Right, let me, oops, back's came off that already. Get off my finger. Right, I'm going to bring in my sticky sheet, wherever I put it. Where are they? Don't know what I've done with it. I wouldn't have put it far because I've been using it all day. Gosh, only knows. Got it. Yay, got it. I'll just stick that on there. I'm just going to try and get it as near to the edge of things as I can, so that I'm getting quite a good bit of structure, because if I put it all central, it's just going to fall apart, and it'll just sag. Come on. They are really starting to wind me up now, because I'm just so tired today. I have been working from early doors. I was up early and uploaded a lot of scheduled videos, and also blogged quite a bit scheduled for the next few weeks. With my mental health, I can't rely on my health being always upbeat, and as work ethos goes, when I am on a low, the last thing I want to think about is doing what I love, really. It's a horrible illness. And I know that people say things like this all the time, but I would not wish depression and anxiety on my worst enemy. It is the most lonely and just solitary illness ever. It's horrible, but it is what it is, and I just need to go on and deal with what I've got. No one's going to make my life better for me. I just make it the best that I can do when I can do it. I do have at the moment quite a few support workers in doing various things. I've got a group called the Richmond Fellowship. They come in to offer a befriend us service. I have been speaking to my mental health social worker, who has applied for budgeting for me for another charity organisation to come in and assist me, and they are called Accessibility. They are a charity run by disabled people for disabled people, so that's a positive. I just, to be perfectly fair, the way I've explained it to the social worker and to the support workers is, at this present moment in time, I am existing, not living. I don't make plans for a life outside this front door. So their aim is to try and build a bridge between those two. I'm just checking that I've got all the backs off of them, and I have. And we're going that way. So I'm just going to try and central it first before I place it down. That looks okay. There we go. Then we've got our gold sticker, and I'm going to unpeel it off camera because I don't want you getting the glare from it, because this gold is mega super shiny. You can see the reflection of it dancing about there. So I'm going to try and line this up as best I can. without standing over the top of it. That looks good. So I've got that. Then we've got, let me just stick that back on it. Then we've got our die cut piece, and I need the sentiment. It's from Tidings, and it is this one here up the top. So got that out. Take that off my block and put that one on. And again, I'm coming in with my VersaFine. It is my ink of choice. Tilt you down a wee bit so you can see it better. So I'm just inking it up. I just love how crisp and dark this sentiment will look stamped with the VersaFine. Sorry, I'm just literally going to need to go overhead to do this. I don't even know if this is the right way up actually. It doesn't matter, I can just turn it. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Right, let me move that a minute because I need to get a baby wipe. Clean my stamp quickly rather than having to pull out my stamp and scrub, etc. And then I'm going to put that up on dimensionals as well. Right, so my dimensionals are under there. Oops, get away. So just 1, 2, 3, and 4. Out the road. Oops, the daisy. My lid fell off it. One, 2, 3. Right. And I want that about there. Right. And then we just need to add a few of these. Now they have got, let me just count this. They have got, let me just zoom me back a wee bit now. So they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we have got 1 here. We've got 1 over here. And we've got 1 in there. Oops, let me just, there we go. And then we've got 1, let's see, there. And 1 there. Stunning, isn't it? Now, what I want to add, now that's the card that's in the, no, I'm filming. That's the card that is in the catalogue. That's white. Let me see, because I want, what do I want? I think I'll have the silver. Now, this is the silver glimmer mist, glimmer paint, but it's in a mister, and it's got alcohol in it, so you can see it blending. But I don't want to squish it all over, okay? So what I'm going to do is just take the straw out and just give it a wee flick. Let me see how that looks. Yeah, it's got some shimmer on it. See it catching in the light there? It's really subtle, but that's all I wanted. Tiny, tiny little bit of subtle. Now I'm going to try a bit of the white or the frost on a little bit of the leaves here because it's new and I want to play. So it is frost white and it's not silver, it's champagne if I remember right. Okay. So I'm going to lift that up and I'm just going to give this a good shake. And I'm just taking from the lid, okay? And I've got my water brush here. So I'm just going to try and get it to a bit of a point. And then I'm just lifting a tiny amount. And I'm just going to come in here at the highlights and add a little bit. And when that dries, it's not going to be as white looking as what it is right at this minute. I just thought I'd try it. I want to just see how it goes on and what effect it actually gives once it's dry. And it shouldn't take too long to dry because it is quite a good medium. Stampin' Up always choose quality products. It's one of the ones that I don't really worry with buying Stampin' Up because I know that they're not buying cheap rubbish. They are buying quality. There we go. And as I said, that's plenty. Doesn't need a lot. So it will last for ages. For fabric, iron designed to cure the ink. Other materials, heat setting not required. Non-toxic and acid free. Shake well before used. So it's an all-purpose ink. It's not even a paint. Fantastic. So you can see the frost on it. I really like it. So that's my second card done. Hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.